Imagine the courage and the resourcefulness it would take to make a voyage like this during an ice age. They left behind lands and terrain which they were much more familiar with familiar food sources and animals and plants, and headed vast distances into the unknown. The plants and wild animals in these new lands they paddled to were entirely unfamiliar to them. During these long treks, they wanted something to eat. They had to hunt and find it, then catch it, kill it, skin it, and cook it. They had no matches for fires in this rainy, snowy land. They had to build fires with flint rocks, nor did they have any metal utensils, only carved ivory or sharp bones or obsidian rock. It was incredibly cold then, colder than it is now in Siberia and Alaska. They wanted to stay warm, then for clothing they had to find and kill animals and stretch their skin and fur over themselves. There were no sunglasses or water storage, no protection from the cold rain or the winter snow, and no sanitation whatsoever. This is how our ancestors lived for thousands of generations as they migrated out of Africa and traveled tens of thousands of miles to lands all over the earth. Those places had vastly different climates from where these people had come from, with different animals and plants to catch and harvest. Survival in each of these different ecological systems of plants and animals required utilization of a completely different technology, so to speak, meaning ways to capture and kill edible animals, and knowing which plants and insects were edible and how to cook and prepare them. Imagine the challenge, the courage, and the resourcefulness that it required to survive these immigrations.